I use a drone to capture photos of our local beaches and the Great Barrier Reef to see how it changes over time. My name is Dr. Karen Joyce. I'm the co-founder and tech lead at GeoNadir. A lot of the work that I do is on the Great Barrier Reef, and it's not a very accessible place to get to. I spent some time in the Australian Army and we used drones there for surveillance purposes, and that's where I started to think, this type of technology would be fantastic for the reef. The drone will fly backwards and forwards over the coral reef, capturing photos as it goes. We then download the photos when we come back to the university or the office and analyse those pictures. We'll do this year after year, and that helps us understand if there are changes over time. I think hybrid cloud solutions are really important for a business like ours. As we've grown, we really need large storage solutions. So partnering with Dell, a trusted technology brand, gives us the peace of mind we need.
As we look to scale our vision globally, Dell has the technology, the people and the advice to help us into the future.
There's hundreds of thousands of people with drones all around the world who capture photos that can help us tell stories about different ecosystems and how they change over time. GeoNadir is the best and easiest place to bring all of these drone photos together so people can use them collectively to be able to understand different changes within ecosystems. At GeoNadir, it's most important to us that we are building towards environmental sustainability and a better planet for future generations to enjoy.
For more inspiring stories, head to poweredforsuccess.com.au.